Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club and it's called Joys of Spring by Abraham Hunter. Okay, I believe right now this painting is out of stock, so all you have to basically do is click on where it says email me and they will let you know when it's back on stock. Okay, this is a 22-inch by 29 inches and it's 55.8 centimeters by 73.7 centimeters. Okay, it's a round, so you can see that it's round. It always has it was in pink when it's round. Comes in a very shiny box. Down here it says scan me and unlock for 10% off, and in the back you have step by step how it works and what's inside the kit, and it comes in 3 languages, so you have it in English, French, and Spanish. All right, so what do we know about Abraham Hunter? Well, Abraham Hunter is a self-taught, award-winning artist and is highly respected among wildlife conservation groups and fan nationally. And I believe he has 23 paintings, and one of them is Christmas Magic, Springtime Cottage, and Joys of Summer, and so on. Okay, so all the Diamond Art Club paintings come with 2 stickers, a small sticker, and this one you could either put it on top or underneath your box, or you could put this in your logbook. Okay, and the big sticker is inside when we open the canvas. All right, so let's put that aside, and it always comes with a toolkit. So let's open this baby up, and I love to open my toolkit because we never know what cover minder we're gonna get, or washi tape, or what color pen. All right, so it looks like we're gonna get a pink color, a pink diamond pen. Let's see. Ooh, okay, so it comes with resealable bags, and these are just in case if you don't have the containers, so you could put the drills in here. So let's put this aside. And it comes with a pen and a comfort grip. You're supposed to put this in here, and let's see if I can do it this way. I'm not gonna try it because every time I try it I rip them. I don't know why, but I do. Anyway, it's supposed to help with your hands, okay, your fingers, especially if you have arthritis. And it comes with a heart-shaped container, and inside is the wax. And then don't forget, guys, that it has a plastic covering, as you can see. Let me see if I can get it. See? And so to get your wax, so you just put it back. The first time I actually bought these, I didn't know, and I kept stabbing it. I was like, what's going on? It's because I didn't realize there was a little plastic covering. Okay, and it comes with a cute cover minder. This one is a bunny with 2 strawberries. Okay, and see, the cover minder is basically a magnet. And what you do is you put the top cover minder, you peel off the plastic cover, and you put it on top of the plastic cover, and you put the other magnet underneath the canvas, and they snap, and it holds the plastic back while you're diamond painting. And this is the washi tape. Ooh, it looks like scales from a mermaid. And of course the tray, and it comes with a stopper, and this is just to prevent from the drills of spilling out, dropping out. And of course it comes with 2 placers, and this is a 7, so that means you could actually pick 7 drills at the same time to diamond paint, or this is a 4. And this is one that I'm actually trying right now. Okay, so let's put all these goodies aside. Okay, all the Diamond Art Club paintings come in a plastic. It always says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say do what makes you happy. And this is just to protect the canvas while it's traveling. All right, so let's open this up. And of course, all the canvases from Diamond Art Club are super, super soft, guys. Okay, just very, very soft like butter. All right, so here we have the drills, and it says there's a sticker on it, and it says Joys of Spring. So just in case you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these belong to that painting. Yep. Yes, sirree, Bob. Okay, here you have thank you for your purchase, what's included in the kit, step by step, tips and tricks, and so on. All right, so let's put that aside. And here's the big sticker I was telling you about. Okay, I love these. It tells you the title, Joys of Spring, by Abraham Hunter, the start date, the end date, and of course the beautiful picture of the painting. And it's around. And of course here it comes with pre-cut stickers, which is great because you can put these on your containers. So let's put that aside. All right, so let's open this baby up. All right, I'm gonna unroll it and then roll it the other way because you can, guys, because this canvas, like we said before, is smooth like butter and is designed to prevent wrinkling. Yay! Yeah, it's actually I believe tarpaulin fabric. Okay. All right, so, oh, and in the bottom of the painting, it always tells you, okay, the title, Joys of Spring, 22 inches by 29 inches, 55.8 centimeters by 73.7 centimeters. It's by Abraham Hunter. Okay, it's licensed artwork from Diamond Art Club. And in the bottom, it tells you, right in the middle, it tells you take 10% for your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And here on the right hand on the bottom, it's a lifetime warranty. And here you have Diamond Art Club basically gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cash back rewards with every order, which is awesome, guys. Let's open this baby. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Okay. All right, down here, up here and up top, it always says, Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. It comes with 2 legends. All right, so it has a legend on the left-hand side, on the upper left-hand side, and then it has another legend on the bottom of the right-hand side. So let's look at the legend very quickly. The legend comes in very, very handy, guys. I don't know if we're having too much glare here. Let's move this light over here for now. Okay, so here it tells you it has 54 colors. Just went blank there, sorry. 54 colors, and then in the middle it has the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place your drills. And then on this side it's the color code, which is the DMC numbers. All right, now let's look at this beauty. So I just love the title of this painting because it's called Joys of Spring. It tells you everything right there. It's basically everything that we love about spring. Well, one of the things we love during the spring. We know that the birdies and all the animals are going to be coming out, but especially the birds. And the birds are flying everywhere. They're just so happy, so cheerful, and they're singing. And of course, here we have, it looks like they know that somebody likes to put this beautiful bird feeder. It's gorgeous, guys. It's so detailed too. I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. But you have all kinds of birds. Okay, I believe this one here is a red cardinal. I'm not sure if this is, I don't know what kind of bird that is, but it's probably a cardinal too. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's just gorgeous. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds. Oh, 8, actually 8. I didn't see this one. There's one down here. Look at how pretty he is, or she is. And of course you have all the cherry blossoms. And it looks like they basically fly and they come back every day, and they know where to stop and get some treats. And they have conversations, they're very happy, and then they fly again in the blue, to the blue sky. As you can see, look at the background, very, very blue. This is just beautiful for now, guys, for spring and summer. It's so detailed, it's so bright, it's just gorgeous. So let me bring it up. Look how clear that is. I don't know if you can see that. I'm hoping that it doesn't look blurry, the camera, for some reason. Okay, look at the birdies. That's the beautiful birdhouse of the bird feeder. And we have more birds hanging out. And then you have another bird down here. And then you have this beautiful pink bird. And of course, more flowers. I just love it. Okay, so let's look at the colors. All right. All right, let's begin. This one is 150 Dusty Rose Ultra Very Dark. I think we can put them right there. 300 Mahogany Very Dark. 301 Mahogany Medium. Look at this, only one package of 310, guys, and that's black. 312 is Baby Blue Very Dark. 317 is Pewter Gray. 318 is Steel Gray Light. And 336 is Navy Blue. Okay, do we have space for one more, you think? I think we do if we slide these down a little bit more. What say you? Okay, one more there. Let's see. So let's do 400, and this is Mahogany Dark. 402 is Mahogany Very Light. 413 is Pewter Gray Dark. 414 is Steel Gray Dark. And 415 is Pearl Gray. And 453 is Shell Gray Light. Very pretty. 518 is Wedgwood Light. 597, we have two packages of 597, and this is Turquoise. Beautiful, beautiful color. And this one too. 598 is Turquoise Light. Okay, now we're in this one is 600, and this is Cranberry Very Dark. 601 Cranberry Dark. 602 Cranberry Medium. 603 is just Cranberry. 604 Cranberry Light. And 605 Cranberry Very Light. So all of these are in the cranberry family. It's probably for the flowers and for the bird. 606 is Bright Orange Red. That's very pretty. 608 Burnt Orange Bright. And 666 it's Red Bright. And 699 green, just green. 700 is also green but bright, so bright green. 701 it's Green Light. And 702 is Kelly Green. And 703 is Chartreuse. And 712 is Cream. 740 is Tangerine. 741 is Tangerine Medium. And 743 is Yellow Medium. Do we have space here? Yep. 762, we have two. It's Pearl Gray Very Light. And this one is 775, and this is Baby Blue Very Light. Almost finished. 803 is Baby Blue Ultra Very Dark. And 898 is Coffee Brown Very Dark. 938 is Coffee Brown Ultra Dark. 3685 is Mauve Very Dark. And 3765 this is Peacock Blue Very Dark. And 3762 3760, what did I say? No, I'm sorry, 3776 is Mahogany Light. All right, must well finish this. This is it. 3811 is Turquoise Very Dark. Got two of those. 3814 is Aquamarine. 3852 is straw, very dark. Just gonna push these a little bit more over here. Can you see those? Not really. Oops. 3855 is autumn gold light. 3860 is cocoa. 3861 is cocoa light, and the last one is 3864 mocha beige light. Wow, this has beautiful colors, guys, very bright. So you have lots in the grays, blues, browns, greens, orange, like a yellow orange. It's like a little bit of everything. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so let's move all these beautiful colors out of the way and let us look at the ABs. I believe it has 4 ABs. So we have a 128 AB, which is Aurora Borealis. It just basically means that it's got a coating that makes the drills shinier. Okay. And then you have 131 AB. It's like a yellow orange. 135. It's like a yellow, yeah, like a yellow green. And 141, we got 2 of these, and this is white. So we're gonna bring back the beautiful painting, and we're gonna find to see where these ABs belong, and we're gonna push this back here now. The lighting. Okay, so let's just see. All right, the first one is 128 by looking at the legend. Let's move this over here now. 128 is number 1. All right, so let's see. Number 1, where are you? Sort of like a peachy color. Number 1. Aha. Here it is. It's right here on this beautiful cherry blossom flower. Then you have, let's see, any down here? Oh, some of the flowers down here. Some here, over here. So it looks like it's on the flowers. Okay, the next one. 131, in the legend it says number 2. So wherever you see number 2, okay, it's in the middle of the flowers. No, not there. Oh wait, you got 2 over here on the bird, on the chest of the bird. You have some on this beautiful bird here. Okay, all right, so far flowers and birds. All right, 135 is going to be number 3. Okay, so I see number 3 over here on the leaves. Yep, over here on the leaves, the flowers. Over here around the flowers. Let's see down here. Over here also on the flowers, on the leaves. So that looks like it's going to be on the leaves and flowers. Okay. Let's move on to the next one, and this one is the last one, and this is going to be 4, symbol 4, and that is like on the bird here, around the bird, on the chest of the bird, some over here on this bird. Okay, so it looks like it's on all the birds, some here on the beak of this bird, and on the eye, also on the eyes. So the eyes are going to be sparkly, and it's all over the white flowers, all over the white flowers. Wow, guys, this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Very bright, very detailed, very cheerful, very happy. Just love it. And of course, very springy. So, I mean, what's not to like about this painting, guys? Come on, it's gorgeous. All right, so far as we said before, all the flowers and all the birds and the leaves are all going to be super sparkly because they're going to have ABs on them. So that is going to look gorgeous. All right, so that's about it, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the night, and I hope you've enjoyed this painting. Bye-bye, and thank you.